How to add music to Instagram Notes if not working. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add music to Instagram Notes if not working. First, go to the settings. Then, go to General. Scroll down and tap on iPhone Storage. Here, select the Instagram app. Now you need to offload the app in order to get rid of extra data and bugs. Tap on Offload App, then confirm it. After that, go to the App Store. Now search for Instagram app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now open your Instagram app. Go to the Messages. Go to your note and add a new note. Here you'll find the option to add a music note as well. But if the problem is still not fixed, you need to report the problem. Tap on Menu. Go to Settings. Scroll down and go to Help. Now tap on Report a Problem. Select Report Problem without shaking. Tap on Include and Continue. Here, type the problem that you're facing. Once you're done, tap on Send. The Instagram team will soon resolve your problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.